More than 1,400 years ago, in the heart of the Arabian desert, a child was born. A child destined to change the course of history. His light would reach the furthest corners of the world, touching hearts and guiding souls to the truth. But who was this child? What miraculous events surrounded his birth? Join us as we journey back to the year of the elephant, a time when an army sought to destroy the holiest sanctuary, only to be stopped by a divine force. Little did they know, that same year, a man would be born, the last and final prophet of God, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In the year 570 CE, the city of Mecca, a bustling trade hub, was witnessing an extraordinary moment. A child born into the noble Quraysh tribe would one day unite a divided people and guide humanity towards peace and justice. Prophet Muhammad's father, Abdullah, passed away before he was even born. His mother, Amina, experienced visions, dreams of light that stretched from Mecca to distant lands, and this was no ordinary birth. As was tradition, the baby Muhammad was sent to live with a Bedouin family in the desert. Under the care of Halima Saadia, he thrived, surrounded by the purity of nature. Even as a child, the signs of his greatness were evident to all who met him. But tragedy soon followed. At just 6 years old, Muhammad lost his mother. Left an orphan, he was taken in by his grandfather, Abdul Muttalib, and later his uncle Abu Talib. Despite these hardships, young Muhammad grew up with strength, kindness, and a heart full of compassion. By the time he reached adulthood, Muhammad had already earned the title of Al-Amin, the trustworthy, a man known for his truth, justice, and humility. From an orphan child to the messenger of God, his journey is one of faith, resilience, and divine purpose. The story of the Prophet Muhammad's birth is not just the beginning of a man, it is the dawn of a new era for all of humanity.